A train is travelling at 50 meters per second when the driver sees a tree blocking the track 104 meters ahead. The brakes produce a uniform deceleration of 12 meters per second squared. With what speed will the train hit the tree? So if we extract the information, we've got U is 50 meters per second, S is 104 meters, the acceleration, well, we're told the deceleration is 12, so the acceleration is minus 12 meters per second, and we need to find the speed, the final speed. So we've got the train travelling at 50 meters per second. We've got acceleration in the opposite direction, which is minus 12 meters per second. And then we've got a tree, and we want to find the velocity this train hits a tree. Hopefully it will not be too hard to cause too much damage. So we got this distance here is 104 meters, so that's S. So using V squared is equal to U squared plus 2AS. And we've got to calculate V, but remember these are V squared and U squared. So V squared will be equal to U squared, which is 50 squared. Now the most common mistake made is people forget to square these using this formula. Plus 2 times my acceleration, which is minus 12, because it's acting in the opposite direction, times my displacement, which is 104. So that's going to give me 2,500 minus 2,496. Do the subtraction, we get 4. In order to find V, we need to take the square root of that. That's the next common mistake that people make, is forgetting to take the square root. So the velocity, or the speed which the tree is hit, is 2 meters per second. Okay, so this has been a video showing about a train braking in order to reducing the impact of hitting a tree. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.